y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And today we are doing a hair tutorial. I am doing a wash and go with my natural products on my natural hair. This is my herbal curl defining gel. It moisturizes and you can style all in one, and that is my herbal infused oil. Before we get right into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's get into it. I actually was wearing my fro out for some time up in a poof and just doing like different styles with my natural texture, but I decided to do a video with my natural products because I just released the herbal defining curling gel. So if you guys are interested in getting that, you guys can check out my website. But what I am going to do first is just wet my hair and kind of prep it for me to do the wash and go. I already have a little product on my hair, so that's why it looks just a little white. It didn't affect the style at all, but I just wanted to mention that. But we are going to take this herbal curl defining gel and use a generous amount. The texture of it is not the same as you would find like an Eco Styler or something. Like it's gooey, but it's really soft. And once you apply it onto your hair, it literally melts into your hair. It softens your hair. It makes your hair smell really good because it smells really good. It makes it easy for you to maneuver and detangle through your hair. So yeah, I really love this gel. This is honestly one of my favorite gels I've ever used on my hair. And I'm not just saying that because it's my product. I'm literally being like completely honest because if y'all know me, I'm serious about my hair and I don't just put anything on my hair. If it don't work for me, if it's not gonna be helping me grow my hair, thicken my hair, and keep my hair healthy, then I'm not using it. But anyways, I'm just basically finger detangling through. And as you guys can see, my fingers just went right through. I'm then going to section it so that I can get into the part where I actually start to define my curls. We are also going to be using this hair oil, which is on my website as well, as I mentioned in the beginning. It's actually our top seller as far as our hair oils. And I'm literally just using this to kind of seal in the moisture and so that my curls can last a little longer. And it also just adds more nutrients to my hair and it softens it a little bit more as well. From there, as you guys can see, I'm pretty much just going to go in, take piece by piece, and just twist it around my fingers to get the curl how I want it to be. And I'm literally going to do this around my entire head. And I'm going to be honest, this is not one of my favorite styles to do because it's so time consuming. It takes a while. It's just very tedious in a way. But as you guys can see, my curls are looking really good so far. So I'm not going to talk the entire video. I'm kind of just going to bring you guys along the process with me and let you guys see how it turned out. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And the affirmation of the day is I am allowing everything in life to always happen for me, for my greater good, and I know that I am protected by the divine. I literally just came up with that off the top of my head. But as you guys can see, I'm pretty much almost done. My hair looks really good, really defined. Shrinkage is definitely a real thing, but I'm getting more comfortable with wearing my hair without it being stretched because I'm like a volume girl. I love the volume. I love the big fro and stuff like that, but it really turned out really cute. And as you guys can see, my fingers are still slipping right through my hair. The curls are really bouncy, really shiny because of the gel and the oil mixed together. They go together really well. I honestly still could have had a pretty good wash and go without me even doing the finger coils because as you guys can see, that part right there that I'm touching is still really defined because of the gel. I'm telling y'all, it makes your curls pop. It makes your hair really soft. It doesn't dry it out. It doesn't add any flakes or anything like that. It's literally like the truth. I'm telling y'all. I'm not trying to hype it up, but I'm hyping it up for real. But anyways, I'm just going to continue to repeat the process. And in the midst of this, I did want to just say that I do appreciate everybody who has made it this far in this video. I'm super grateful for everybody who has subscribed to my channel and commented on all my videos and just are here to support. So yeah, but this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The products are on my website. Check them out. Use them on your hair. It also helps with hair growth as well and moisturizing. So, yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace and blessings. Mwah.